What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I am going to make a delicious and healthy breakfast item from the McDonald's and we are making the oatmeal. It will take hardly 10 minutes to make. So without wasting any time, let's get started. This recipe is one of the healthiest recipe of the outlet McDonald's and you can add more and more fruits to this recipe to make it even more delicious and healthy. So our McDonald's oatmeal recipe is ready to enjoy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.